Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue, Facebook not working after iOS 17 update. So first solution you have, force quit and relaunch app again. Whenever Facebook and Facebook Messenger crashing or freeze after login in iOS 16 and 17, you can force quit if it by pressing the home button twice to shipping up preview to close it and then open Facebook again to check it works now. While you have using the Facebook app, so then you have double tap on home button, so you have removed, so then you have reopen the Facebook app is proper working or not working. Then second solution you have, check iPhone network connection. There are many problems that are caused by poor network connection. Make sure the Wi-Fi is working fine on your iPhone. If you are encountered Facebook not updating, you need feed profile picture not showing posts and comments from off the wireless network. So you have opened the setting. If you have used the Wi-Fi, so you have disconnect and then reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Then third solution you have restart your iPhone. So as well, simple restarting will fix many problems of iPhone. You can also try the when Facebook is not working properly, so you have simple restart. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then another solution you have, upgrade Facebook app. And old version Facebook may be so then not fully compatible on the new iOS 17 and 16. There, try to update app from App Store. Open the App Store, tap on updates to get the latest Facebook update. Open the App Store, so you have search the Facebook app, so you have update is available on your iPhone, so you have must be update the Facebook app. Then last solution you have, reinstall the Facebook. If you have filed the fix Facebook not loading, responding or refreshing on your iPhone after trying to better above, try to delete the app and reinstall it again. Facebook users choose account and passcode to log in, so you do not need to worry about and data loss after reinstallation. So you have reinstall, delete the iPhone app from your iPhone, so you have reinstalled from App Store, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.